One double bedroom pool villa for rent for 499 baht a day. You can come in over the weekend or you can come for a look. Nice swimming pool and lovely gardens, so you can relax here, and it's pretty quiet. I'll take you for a look inside the villa now. The villa's got a external cooking. If you want to cook, you're best to come outside, and you can cook inside here on the gas stove. Inside, just microwave and basically toasting, stuff like that you can make. It keeps the place from getting smelly. Also, you can sit here and relax. At the back, it's got a private bit as well to relax and park the car. So inside, you've got a small kitchen and a smart TV and a place for the computer. They put the table here to work on the computer, but you can stick it across at the window and you've got a nicer view. If you've got your computer here, you can look out to the back, which is nice and quiet. Or you can sit out the back if you want, just put an extension table and sit out there. Then the kitchen is basic, but it's good enough. And you've got a microwave, you've got a fridge freezer, a rice cooker, an electric kettle, and suite. And you're only, I think, I'll say you're 10 metres to the pool. And then here you can sit and drink your beers or just relax here. The bedrooms, it's a double bedroom with air conditioned and double bed, bedside cabinet. And at the back as well, at the back here, no noise, just banana trees, and look out to a sort of fruit garden at the back. So the good thing about it is it's a good sized bathroom. You've got a bathroom, it's a shower suite, but toilet, wash-in basin, and a separate shower. And the electric shower as well here. This one, I mean, it's big enough. I mean, easily you could put a bath in it. But the problem with baths is I think maybe the shower's actually more clean, So that's the bedroom. It's like nice and small, so it's good to stay in it because it's nice and cold. And air conditioned, just a small bit of air conditioning, and the place is really good. And then you can come out here and there's a fan. You can put the fan on because you sit there on the couch. Then here. So the villa is 490 baht a day. You can rent it for a day or a week, it's up to you. We'll give you a discount. The longer you stay, the more discount we can offer. If you want to do self-catering, we can do that as well, no problems at all. That's just to keep the expenses down. It's Villa Resort in Udon Thani, so you can just look us up on Google Maps for the location. And if you need a bigger villa, there's 2 bedrooms villas as well. If you want a cheaper place to stay, we've got 1 bedroom apartment for 375 baht a day. It's got a massive kitchen and a living room and private parking, but not near the pool. It's 60 metres from the pool, so it's nice. It's good for somebody that wants to work on the internet and wants a cheap place to stay. Here is a tropical garden, so it's really nice at Villa Resort, and we grow many different stuff in the garden. So you're welcome for a visit. Come for a visit and see how you like the place, and you can come just for a day, just to give it a try. If you like it, stay longer. So that's Villa Resort, 1 double bedroom pool villas, 495 baht a day, available basically all the time. There's always somebody coming and going, so if you want to go and if you've got a 1 bedroom or a 2 bedroom apartment, we can do a good deal, 499 baht a day as well. Special offer at the moment. The 2 bedroom villa's got loads of space in it. Okay, bye bye for now.